Hi friends, welcome back. Uh, in this video, I'll be showing how to install the Active Directory roles on Windows 2022 server. So this is the standard edition. I'm configuring Active Directory roles. Go to Server Manager. In the Server Manager, select Add Roles and Features. Next, role-based and feature-based installation. This is the server I'm installing on. So here we have to select Active Directory Domain Services. So these are the features it will install by selecting that option. Click Next. If you want to add any other things, you can add it here, but for now I'm not adding any other features. I'm just clicking Next. Click Next. So here it will show what all the features it will install. Click Install here. It will take a few minutes to install all the Active Directory domain services. So I'm so while this is installing, you can close this page and you will know the status here in the notification center. So once the roles get installed, so these are the roles got installed and it requires a reboot. So promote this server to a domain controller now. So when you click on this, it will ask you to add a domain controller to an existing domain. So we are not having any domain as of now. So and we are not having any forest. So we are creating a new one. Add a new forest. So I'm creating as a domain. Go. So we have to give a dot extension and the forest functionality level we have to select the maximum level as of now. So this is the new forest. So I'm selecting 2016. These are the specific capabilities of this domain. So I'm not adding a DNS service on this server. I'll be adding it. So this is the password we have to give and we have to remember this password in future if we want to restore or do any changes on a domain controller. And make sure that you remember this password saved at some location and it will pick the NetBIOS name by itself. Click Next. So these are the files which are related to the Active Directory. Database folder is stored at this location. Log files stored on this location, and sysvol folders are stored at this location. If you want to change the location and store it at a different location for the safety reasons, you can change it. For as I'm configuring this on virtual machine, I'm leaving it as it is and I'm not changing anything. So this will be showing us the selections, what all we selected, and we can export this in a script. This is the PowerShell script. You can save this. In future, if you are building any server, you can just modify these locations and the names of the domain, or whatever you want to change it, you change, and you can use this script. For now, I'm not using this, so I'm just clicking next. It will be verifying the prerequisite for the domain controller. So it will show us if any additional is required or anything is. So here it's pre-configuration check completed. So I'm clicking on installation. It will take some time to promote this server to a domain controller. I'm pausing this video. I'll be resuming once it got promoted. It will take some time, so I don't want to keep this video recording while it is installing. I'm pausing it and I'll be back soon. So once the installation is done, it will automatically restart the box. So I'm waiting for it to come online. After the server gets restarted, log in with the administrator. So once the server got installed, let's check the roles and the confirmation of AD. It's still loading the files. So once this one shows clear, you can go and check tools, and you will see the Active Directory domain, Active Directory users and computers, Active Directory Administration Center, Active Directory domains, and trusts. So here we have an Active Directory modules for Windows PowerShell. And you can see here, so Active Directory roles got installed. So this is the confirmation. This roles got installed. File storage services got installed. So let's open and see the computer. So here you will be seeing the domain name. Active Directory domain got installed. So these are the domain controllers. This is the present domain controller where global catalog is installed on, running on. So there is no users except administrator. These are the groups, and here you can see the description of each security group. These are the built-in accounts, and there are no computers got added to this Active Directory. So these are the built-in accounts. Okay, so we have successfully installed the Active Directory. In our next video, I'll show you how to configure a DNS and how to install the DNS roles. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.